The difference between the smallest and the greatest numbers, which when rounded off a number to the nearest hundred is 200. Means you have to find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract. You have to subtract two numbers. And what are the numbers? The numbers are, the first one will be the number whose nearest hundred is 200. Whose nearest hundred is 200. Means the greatest number. So first you will write the greatest number. Means you have to write the greatest number whose nearest hundred is 200. And then you have to write the smallest number whose nearest hundred is again 200. So these two numbers we have to select. Greatest and smallest. Whose nearest hundred is 200. Clear? Now let's check. Now the numbers whose nearest hundred is 200, it will start from 100 around. Let's say we are starting from 148. Sorry, let's say 49. Okay. Now to find out the nearest hundred of the number, so for 100 you will check this tens place. So tens place is less than 5. So you will add here? No, you will not add. So it will remain as 100. But you need nearest hundred as 200. So let's, more than 149 is how much? 150. Now let's check it. 150. Now nearest 100. Tens place is 5. So you can add here. So answer will be 200. So what is the smallest number now?
150.
150. This is the smallest number. Least number. Okay. Now you have to find out the greatest number. Now 150. Then 151, 152, 153. So this way we will check all the numbers there. Okay dear? Just pause the video. This is the least number. This is the least. Now we have to find out the greatest number. So 150 from, we will now move from 150. Now the last number, because we need the 200 as the nearest 100. So we will just check it for 201, 202. So there we will go. Okay now. So let's see 250. Let's check it. 250. Let's check it. Now if you want to find out its nearest 100, so tens place is 5. So you will add here. So it will become 300. Yes or not? So this is cancelled. Now less than 250 is how much? 249. Now is it 4? Less than 5. So you will add here? No. So it will remain as 200. So the digit is 249 whose nearest 100 is 200. So this is the greatest number. So greatest number is 249. Now you have to what? You have to subtract this. So it will be your answer. Because you have to find out the difference of the greatest and the least number. Means the smallest number. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now if you are subtracting, you are getting 9. 14 minus 5 is again 9. So this is your answer. 90. Okay?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So this way for practice I am giving you some more questions. Okay? Just practice it. Okay then.